Use a dedicated transition strategy to move from bathroom tile to adjacent flooring so the change is safe, waterproof, and visually cohesive. Start by measuring the finished heights of the tile and the adjacent floor and plan a transition that addresses any height difference. For a small difference, use a thin metal or flexible vinyl reducer that screws or glues to the subfloor and sits flush against the tile edge. And for larger drops, choose a sloped hardwood or aluminum transition that creates a gentle ramp for foot traffic. Always set the last row of tile on a backer board or cementitious thin set that matches the height you want, and cut tile edges square or slightly beveled so the transition piece seats evenly. Use a rubbing stone or diamond wheel to smooth any sharp edges. For transitions into carpet, install a carpet reducer or metal carpet bar that hooks under the carpet tack strip while the tile meets a thin threshold. Tuck the carpet securely and use a flexible caulk or silicone bead at the tile edge to block moisture. Where tile meets sheet vinyl or luxury vinyl plank, select a vinyl to tile reducer made of vinyl or anodized aluminum and adhere the vinyl under the reducer per manufacturer directions to prevent lifting. If the vinyl is loose laid, use a threshold that compresses the vinyl rather than relying on adhesive. When transitioning to hardwood, plan for the wood to be fastened to the subfloor with a gap for expansion away from the tile, and use a hardwood threshold or reducer strip that is nailed to the wood floor, not to the tile. Always use a waterproof sealant or silicone where moisture is expected, compressible foam backer rod where gaps exceed 1/4 inch, and choose transition pieces that match or intentionally contrast the finishes to tie together the visual design. 3 common problems are tripping hazards from abrupt height changes, edge cracking and tile breakage where the tile ends without support, and water intrusion at the seam. For tripping hazards, lower the tile installation height by 1/8 to 1/4 inch if possible, or use a gentle sloping reducer to create a ramp. Secure the transition piece firmly to the subfloor so it cannot wobble. To prevent edge cracking, support the last tile with a thin backer and set the transition strip so the tile edge is not cantilevered. Use a metal or durable vinyl edge to protect the exposed tile. To stop water intrusion, run a continuous bead of silicone between tile and transition, use a closed cell backer rod on larger gaps, and ensure the adjacent floor has proper drainage slope or water-tolerant materials near the bathroom entry. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lists projects so we can find the right people for the job. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from other homeowners and contractors about transitions and other flooring details.